This next video covers the ALEKS topic of using two steps to solve an equation with whole numbers. So here's a general strategy for solving linear equations. So our first step is going to be to simplify each side of the equation as much as possible, right? Combine like terms, distribute to remove parentheses, right? Get both the left and the right as tidy as possible. Next, we need to collect all variable terms on one side of the equation. You can pick, it doesn't matter which side, right? And for that, you're going to use the addition or subtraction property of equality. For step 3, we need to collect all the constant terms on the other side of the equation. So we need to use addition or subtraction property to get that as well. Remember, we like our x's lonely. We want our x's all by themselves on one side of the equation. Next, we need to make the coefficient of our variable term equal to 1, and we're going to use the multiplication or division property of equality to do that, and we state our solution or solutions. Next, we need to check our solution and substitute our solution into the original equation to make sure we get a correct answer. I'm not going to do this in your videos, but it's really crucial that you do this specifically on an exam, quiz, homework, to make sure that you are on the correct track and catch any mistakes, right? Because a few points can really make all the difference. So I have 5x minus 17 equals 40. So I'm trying again in my mind to simplify both the left and right-hand side. Well, I can't combine any more like terms, so I think to myself, I like my x's lonely, and I'm going to move my constant to the right-hand side. So I have 5x equals 60. I now have my variable on one side and my constant on the other, on the right side. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5 to get my x lonelier. So I'm find x equals 12 is my final answer. For problem 2, I have that 19 is x divided by 3 plus 8. The first thing I want to do is get all my constants on one side. So I'm going to subtract 8. That gives me 11 equals x over 3. Next, my variable is not lonely. He's hanging out with this 3 in his denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by 3 in order to get rid of that fraction, because I really don't like working with fractions. I don't think you guys love it either. That gives me 33 equals, these 3's will cancel, x.